Do you want to know how to use the news on Trading IQ option? News trading is a type of investing that uses news to predict how markets will react in the short term. It can be used for stocks, currencies, commodities and other assets. One way to do this is by following major economic reports like GDP or unemployment numbers. Another way is by tracking political events such as elections or Brexit negotiations. The goal of our guide is simple: help traders make smarter decisions by giving them all the information they need in one place so they don't get caught off guard when something happens out of nowhere. This way you'll always be prepared with your IQ option trading. Click the link below now and learn everything there is about trading the news.